Hi everyone, you're watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a cupcakes, so vanilla cupcake. So I'm gonna introduce the ingredients now.
300 gram of self-raising flour,
125 gram of caster sugar, you can use any sugar. 100 gram of melted butter, 125 milliliter of milk, 3 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make the cupcake batter. Now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients, all the wet stuff into one. First of all, I'm gonna break the egg and let's see how we're gonna do it. So I have the big bowl and the whisk. You can use the beater or you can use the whisk. It's up to you if your hand's strong. So you can use the whisk. First, I'm gonna break the egg. Then I'm gonna break the egg yolk, give a nice whisk. Then I'm gonna add the vanilla essence. And I'm gonna add milk. After milk and egg, you're gonna add the sugar. You can use any sugar, as I said. It doesn't have to be a caster sugar, but if you use the caster sugar, it's gonna make it nice. Make sure you dissolve the sugar. Just beat it for a couple of minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So as you see, the sugar is already dissolved. Then you're gonna add the melted butter here. You're gonna mix it up properly. You're gonna whisk it off for 2 minutes, and then you're gonna add the self-raising flour. So if you don't have a self-raising flour, so you can use the normal flour. And for 1 cup of normal flour, you need to add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Once this mixture comes to this stage, you're gonna add the self-raising flour. Make sure you add the self-raising flour gradually. Make sure you add the self-raising flour little by little. As you see, the thickness is perfect. See, it's dripping off and there's no lumps. It's dripping off from the whisk. This is the perfect texture. Look at that. 300 gram of self-raising flour, it's enough. And if you follow the recipe carefully, you're gonna get the exactly same result. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna spray up the muffin tray, and I'm gonna use the muffin cases. If you can't find the muffin cases, that's fine, you can still use the muffin tray. So, but make sure you spray a little bit more, then in that way it won't stick to the muffin tray. It's a cupcake mix. If you want to add some flavors, still you can add some flavors. That's how you make the different flavor of cupcakes. I'm gonna fill up this batter into the muffin tray. Make sure you put the 3/4 of the batter into the muffin cases. Make sure you leave the space to bake. So if you overflow it, you're gonna get the out of shape of cupcakes. I already placed the cupcake mix into the muffin tray. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cook in the oven. My oven is already preheated for 150 degrees. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put this on into the oven for 20 minutes with 160 degrees. Let's see how we're gonna do it. Now I'm gonna place up this cupcake into the oven. So once you close it down, make sure you're not gonna open the oven. If you open the oven, that the raisiness, it's gonna be go down. So this is after 20 minutes. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check whether it's cooked or not. It's look amazing, look perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this one out and see how it is. The best thing is make sure you use the knife and use the tip, and let's see whether it's cooked or not. Look, this is the perfect cupcake mix. This is the perfect color. You know, some bit got different shapes, but that's fine. That's how homemade. If you want the real shape of cupcakes, you make sure you flatten them up after you put the batter, so it's gonna rise evenly. So that's how we do the cupcakes. So now, as you see, you can easily pick it up and it's ready to serve. So I'm gonna leave this on for an hour or two to get it rest, get it cool down. So after you cool it down, so you can do garnishing, or you can eat like this as well. That's fine. Then you're gonna garnish with icing sugar or whipped cream or anything. Then you can serve it. After 1 hour resting, so I get the muffin, and I'm gonna garnish with the icing mixer. So if you hit my channel and follow that how to make the icing mixture, you can find it out how to do it. There is a two way of doing it. Buttercream icing mixture and the icing sugar with the water. So I already made the two icing mixture. So I'm gonna garnish with the icing mixture. So you get the scoop of icing mixture, or you can use the piping bag. It's up to you. I just use the spoon and put the top of it. This is the buttercream icing mixture, and then I'm gonna place it up on the middle. So I'm gonna use my other icing sugar, and I'm gonna garnish with that. So you use the icing sugar to garnish up the muffin. That's how we do with the muffins. I hope you guys enjoy making cupcakes. So I work hard a little bit. So please do share among your friends and subscribe my Cooking with the Brown Chef. That would be the great help you can do to me. So I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye, thanks.